I tried to do lashes again, right? And this is where we are. So if you can, like, watch my face, listen to my message, and ignore it, you can. If you cannot, I would tell you to just make this a podcast and to just listen to it, and you will get your relevant information. Okay. Welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Joyski, back again. And today's video we're going to be talking about confidence, being more confident. Okay, this is a beginner's guide. This is one-on-one easy tricks that you can do to be more confident. It could be for a presentation, this could be a little revision for you. It can just even help you to be perceived more confident around people. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first way that can help you be confident is about your self-thought. Self-thought. How you think about yourself, because how you think about yourself affects how you interact with people and how it brings your energy down. And if you're always thinking badly about yourself, it's going to lower your confidence. So practice going the opposite. So if a negative thought comes in your mind, which happens to me, is a human thing, when it comes in your brain, just do the opposite. If you say I look bad, and like I look good, come on, no, Jerry, you got this. If you're feeling like I can't do this, I'm like, I can do this. I'm gonna try. All right, I'm gonna try. So just give yourself some affirmations. Even if you do some like affirmations or different things before you go on stage or do your presentation, it also helps. Just saying, I am going to do a good job, I'm going to have fun on stage, and like picturing yourself how you're going to be, and just be as confident as you can in your affirmations, in your visualization before you do a presentation or on stage or whatever activity you're going to do. Like hyping up is basically hyping up yourself. Okay, and then another way that you can be confident is your body language. If you are, I'm sorry. Okay, right. So, is your body language. If you are like closing yourself off or keeping your hands, trying to protect yourself or hiding yourself away, that gives you, it makes you look very like self-conscious or low self-esteem or whatever it is. But if you open up your body up, use your hand, interact, eye contact with people, even if you don't like eye contact, then you don't have to do it necessarily, but giving eye contact when you're speaking to someone gives you that air of confidence. You can either, people say, talk slower, take pauses if you need to think about something, just and then think and then talk. So you can be confident by just opening up your body, speaking to people, leaning forward, being engaged in what people are saying. That are some ways that you can be more confident. Another way that you can be more confident is by how you dress. I don't know about you, but when I have on, I feel like I look good, have my makeup done, my hair look good, my dress, bro. Like I feel like I was everything in the world. I'm the princess. I'm a model. I'm a super. Like I feel good, and I go out into the world. That energy, people see that energy. People feel that energy, because when I'm confident, I don't feel like conscious of how I dress, and I can be have that open body language, and be engaging, because I feeling this confidence, not confidence, but this comfort in what I'm wearing, right? And if you are wearing some clothes that you don't feel look good or makes you uncomfortable, for me, if I don't really like short stuff, so when I wear short things, I'm very conscious, I always pulling it down, and I might close off my body so people do not see me, and because of that, it can cause you to you know, seem or be less confident. So that's another way. I don't believe I said this before, but for body language, a good thing to do is have your superwoman, superman pose. So stand in a way where you feel your strongest, and it gets your brain, gets your body feeling that I'm ready. I'm about to do something, and having that superwoman pose, what that might be, keeping your foot shoulder width apart, standing up straight, like you know, that pumps you up mentally and in your body. You feel that readiness. Another way that can help you with your confidence is kind of forcing yourself out of your comfort zone. So let's say it can be simple as going to the cashier, and just having a conversation. Good morning. How are you? Hope you have a good day. Simple things like that can help you to get that confidence. Then going out with your friends or going places and talking to people, basically talking and learning from that experience. Like when you socialize with people, it can be looking like going on stage, joining a club, doing something that is out of your comfort zone, and that can help you be more confident. Then it could also look going out on your own. That's a different step. But if that is what you want to do, going out by yourself, go and do it. Try it. And you know, it could be simple or bigger. It could be going on stage, going out by yourself, or it could just be talking to us, no, or speaking to a cashier, and that can help you be more confident. So that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Love ya.